Welcome students. Hope you all are fine, happy and healthy. Let us start our today's class. So, in our today's class, what is the topic that we have chosen to study? Change in behavior, attitude and reaching the emotional maturity. At the age of puberty, or you can say adolescence, it is seen that the student or the children have a tremendous changes that can be observed at the age of adolescence. What are the changes? The changes may be behavioral changes, the attitudinal changes and the emotional changes that can be observed at the age of adolescence in the children. So what do you mean by behavioral changes, what do you mean by attitudinal changes, and what is called emotional changes? We will study together all these things. Understood? So let's start. During adolescence period, means at this period we learn rapidly imbibe values and form opinions through it. At this age, a student or you can say a children come to know about the values, what are the right thing and what are the wrong thing. These type of things are studied and learned by the children. They make their opinion about good and bad. Understood? There is a shift of behavior dependence toward a more independent attitude. Means the children of this age become independently think about any topic and they give their decision. Suppose if I am talking about Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi. So some student obviously choose Narendra Modi for the work that he did good for the society and for the Indians, and obviously some will choose Rahul Gandhi who oppose Narendra Modi. So this type of opinion is mainly given by the children of this age, and they come to know which things are good and which things are bad, and they make their opinion on the basis of these good and bad things that is done in the society or for the people. Understood? So it is called behavioral depict. Means on the basis of certain behavior they give their opinion and they become independent to give their opinion at this time. Means they are not dependent on any other circumstances, whether these circumstances are good or bad. Means they think if a particular decision made by the government is good, then they will independently say, yeah, it is a good for the children or good for the any member of society. So this kind of decision or attitudinal decision is given by the children of this age. Understood? It may at time be associated with insecurity and anxiety. Means some student or children sometimes feel insecure and anxiety. Anxiety means mentally disturbed, and insecure means due to certain reason they feel insecurity in the society. Suppose the pressure of the study, the pressure of friends. At this age some students start taking drugs and some other bad habits like smoking and all. So these kind of things make them insecure, feel insecure, and they mentally become very weak and feel anxiety. Anxiety means mentally disturbed. Mentally they do not get a good sleep. This type of problem is carried at the age of this among the children. Understood? So this is a period when some student, either be the male or female, feel insecure toward their society, toward their family. They think that the family are not supporting them. They think that the mother and father are not supporting to go to allow them for the cricket coaching classes, and in this kind of insecurity is felt by them. And many more situations comes when they feel this kind of thing. Understood? And mentally anxiety means there is a there is a an anxiety or mental tension of examination or test or this kind of things. Understood? Which can be overcome soon. So this kind of insecurity and anxiety will be removed if they understand the reason behind it. If someone make them counsel or help in their counseling, what is the reason of insecurity and anxiety in their life, if they understand the reason of insecurity and anxiety, they automatically become cool and calm within few days or few hours. Understood? So such changes can be observed at the age of adolescence. Therefore, a few things that must be kept in the mind under much to make responsible decision during adolescence. Let's study. Analyze any situation means it is the things that is needed to be understood by an adolescent, means the children who are going through adolescence. So what are the things? Analyze any situation. The life is obviously become sometime boring, sometimes such a situation comes that a student do not want to leave, do not want to do any work and become insecure and anxiety. So at that time you must understand by which situation are you going. So analyze every situation carefully before determining your course of action. So whatever you are going to do in your future, before doing that you should understand the situation and the things that is going in your life. Always try to understand why a person is giving you a certain piece of advice. So at that time you must follow the advice of elders or the advice of teacher and all, because they always think for your betterment. So in the course of life you can come in such a situation in which you have no any way to live. At that time you should understand there must be advice of some other people is required, either be it's your parents, grandparents of, or your teacher or some elder one, okay, whom you admire the most. Next, peer pressure. Peer pressure means pressure of friends. There are some good friends and bad friends. Good friends obviously carry you toward the good things, but bad friends always make your life disgusting and disturb your life in the way of adolescence. So at that time peer pressure show a considerable effect on the teenager. It obviously show a effect on the teenager during this time, but always keep in mind that it is okay to refuse to do something that you instinctively feel are wrong. Means bad friends if says something to do which is obviously wrong for the society, for you and for your parents as well as for your family, you should not do this kind of things, and you should obviously refuse to do this kind of things. Understood? So it is one of the most important problem that is carried by the children of adolescence, and at that time your attentiveness will be very helpful and can carry you out of this problem. Understood? So let's do the third term. So what is third term? Puberty or sexual maturity means when you are going to being a sexual mature in the period of adolescence. At that time most of the children, either be the male or female, attract toward the opposite sexes. Means the attraction toward the opposite sexes increase, and at that time they badly affected by this kind of things if they have such a relationship. Understood? So may bring about sexual feeling or feeling of attraction toward the opposite sexes, isn't it? So this is also a time when boys and girls may feel curious to know about the opposite gender. It is the age when a boy want to know about girl and a girl want to know about boy. However, we must remember that this is a time of life may be confusing for our friend and for us also. Means it is a time which may confuse the children. So you should understand these things, that this is a time which make you confused toward the attraction of opposite sexes, and you should avoid this type of attraction. Obviously it is false and it will always create a problem for you and for your family. So at that period of time, at this period of time, you should respect and support each other, either be the male or female, and should always follow a healthy relationship among each other. Understood? So for today class, that much, because in the next class we are going to study about puberty regulated. How are the changes at puberty regulated? So it will be studied in our next day class. Okay, for that, so let's study, because it is a very small part I am teaching this. After that we will study the later on. How are changes at puberty regulated? Means puberty means at the age when a male and female become adult. So male become adult from 13 to 15 years of age, and female become adult between 11 to 13 onward. So at this time you can say tremendous changes that take place inside a male and female. So how these changes occur? How a female develop a breast, how a female start menstruation, how a female start developing an egg in their ovary. So obviously there must be something that start that this kind of changes in male. How male start developing the beard and the mustache and the hair on the body, how the testicles become enlarged, how sperm formation take place. So all together these changes are responsibly done by the certain chemical that is released by our body, and these chemicals are called hormone, and these chemicals are released from endocrine gland. So let's study. The changes associated with puberty are under the influence of certain chemical substances. Means whatever the changes take place in our body is due to certain chemical substances. Understood? Produced in our body. These chemicals are known as hormone and organ secreting from hormone. So what are the name of the chemicals which is responsible for the tremendous physical, emotional and behavioral changes in the children of adolescence? These chemicals are nothing but the hormone, and hormone are secreted from endocrine gland. So what is endocrine gland? Endocrine gland are the certain gland which present at the different place of the body and secrete their secretion directly into the blood stream. Means blood vessel. Blood stream means blood vessel. Okay, there is no special duct. Duct means pipe which carry. There is no any special duct which carry the secretion of this gland, endocrine gland, to the target organ. Means there is no special pipe. So hormone is directly poured into blood, and blood carry the hormone to the target organ where they have to do the work. So hormone has a target organ. Every hormone work at a certain place. Every hormone work at a certain place, and that place is called their target organ. So who carry the hormone from the secretory organ, that is endocrine gland, to the target organ? Blood stream. Understood? So blood carry the endocrine secretion, that is endocrine secretion, that is hormone, from gland to the target organ through blood. Understood? So let us study. These chemicals are known as hormone, and the organs secreting these hormones are called endocrine gland. Means through endocrine glands these hormones are secreted. Endocrine glands are ductless glands, means they have no special duct or pipe to carry the hormone, and they pour their secretion directly into the bloodstream. Means, so as they have no any special duct, they directly pour the secretion into the bloodstream. Understood? Or blood vessel, you can say. These hormones are secreted in very low quality, at a very low quality, about 0.01 gram, like that. At this quantity, they can able to do a lots of tremendous changes in our body. Understood? Let us study. So they circulate through the blood, and so their effect at a target organ. Wherever it is the target organ, they will work at that target organ, and after the work, they will excrete out through the body. Understood? So it is the all phenomenon. So what is in endocrine gland? If you want to make the question, note down the important question that I am giving you. What kind of changes do we observe in the behavior, attitude and emotion of what kind of changes do we observe in behavior, attitude and emotion of adolescent? This is one of the most important question, remember. Understood? Next question, note the next question. How can we overcome our stress or anxiety? How can an adolescent overcome their anxiety? How can? Next, note down the next question. What do you mean by peer pressure? What do you mean by peer pressure? And how can you overcome it? Next, what is hormone? From where is it secreted? Next question. Why endocrine gland is called ductless gland? Why endocrine glands are called ductless gland? Note down the next question. What is responsible for the changes take place during puberty? What is responsible for the changes take place during puberty? Note down this. So these are the all questions. Next day we will study about the hormone and the reproduction. Okay, that much today. Okay, bye bye.